Looks like there's some smudges here in the bathroom. We'll go ahead and wipe those up and see how it does. That one's in the grout there. We'll take it on the side and just rub it in the grout. Oh, look at that. That's nice. I don't know a lot about cleaning. That's what I like about the Swiffer mop, is you don't have to know a lot about cleaning to use it. It's really simple. You just put the wet pads on here and then you're ready to start mopping. It's got these little holes on the back that you just put your wet pad into, and then it's got a nice pull. You can shorten it or lengthen it. It's got little nibs on it, and then it's got a nice handle. This mop's really versatile. It's got a nice hinge on it, so you can get up here and get your baseboards really good. Get the top of the baseboards, get the bottom of the baseboards. You can get in here at an angle. Get it like that. So yeah, that hinge is pretty nice. Okay, let's go ahead and see how it did. There's the bottom of the mop. It looks like it got quite a bit of stuff. The nice thing about this Swiffer is rather than having to soak this in a mop bucket and then dump out your mop bucket and everything, all you do is you just take these off just like this. Just peel off the back and drop it in the trash. And you don't have to worry about cleaning this or anything. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice. These are the Swiffer wet cloths, and these are used for mopping, and they go with the Swiffer mop. It's got a nice lid on it and a seal. We'll go ahead and open it up. And here's what your wet wipe looks like. Go ahead and put it on here like this. I guess there's a line here, a green line that you use to line it up. And then you just push these in. Pull it nice and tight, push it in. Same thing here, put our lid back on so they don't dry out. All right, you can see there's a couple of smudges on the wood floor, so we'll go ahead and try it out. Oh wow, look at that. That's nice. Look how clean that is. It's good to get the hard to reach areas back here in the bathroom. Can kind of clean up back here around the toilet and around the cabinets. Get everything really good. Same thing back here, can get the baseboard really good. So it's really nice that it can get back in here and get all that stuff out of there. So you can see how well these Swiffer wipes did. They work really well with the Swiffer mop. You get 24 of them in the box, so you get plenty of them here. So yeah, if you're looking for some Swiffer wipes for your Swiffer mop, this is a pretty nice box of Swiffer wipes.